7 of the most common fall fashion mistakes and how to fix is exactly what I'm going to be talking about in today's video. And of course, not only the fashion mistakes and how to fix those fashion mistakes is going to be covered in this video, but also 10 fabulous fall outfits that are actually wearable and perfect for so many different occasions. And make sure you listen to the entire video because tip number 7 actually features my new favorite handbag. I just purchased it yesterday. It actually looks like a designer handbag, but it is a fraction of the price. So if you only add one handbag to your fall handbag collection this season, let it be this last handbag because I promise it will take you many places in style this fall. Also, leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you think I should cut my hair. You guys have been telling me a ton in the last few years, Heather, you need to cut your hair. And I'm kind of torn, should I cut it? But I'm actually thinking of cutting it to here, an inch or two below my collarbone. So I would love to hear from y'all. So definitely leave me a comment down below. Fashion mistake number 1 is wearing baggy clothes. In the fall, we feel like it's cold out, so we need to wear baggy clothes. My tip is this: pick one piece of item in your outfit that's a little bit on the oversized or baggy side and just wear one piece, not a ton of baggy pieces together because that looks sloppy, even a little bit frumpy. So my one oversized piece in this outfit would be this fabulous camel quince cardigan. Y'all, this cardigan is so incredibly soft, and I love this gorgeous camel shade. Camel is a great color to wear in the fall because it's warm, it's beautiful, it also looks way more expensive than it really is. And then I paired it over this fabulous, gorgeous brown bodysuit. And then how about this amazing suede belt? This belt is my new favorite belt. I just got it yesterday from Madewell. It's like a chocolate brown suede. It's absolutely stunning, and I paired it with the matching chocolate brown suede handbag. And then these are some fabulous $50 Quince dark rinse jeans. I just did a full video on the latest fall denim trends. You definitely want to check that out. And dark denim is one of the hottest fall denim trends. These are amazing. They're a high-waisted straight leg denim silhouette. And trust me, they look way more expensive than $50. And then how about these amazing snake print heels? I just got these in as well. They're from the Revolve website. These are absolutely gorgeous. They kind of remind me of some YSL slingbacks, but because they're by Paige, they're actually pretty budget friendly. The heel height is 3 inches, so very wearable. I also love this pointy toe. Exotic snake print or leopard heels are definitely trending hard right now as well in fall. In fact, I just did an entire shoe video covering the hottest fall shoe trends, so definitely check that out as well. But I will for sure be wearing these a ton this fall and winter, and I bet if you decide to grab them for yourself, you will be too. Fashion mistake number 2 is wearing outdated boot styles. So pretty much any boot style that has a round toe versus a pointy toe is definitely out of style. So these are some fabulous Stuart Weitzman pointy toe sock booties. Yes, sock booties are making a comeback this fall and winter, and I'm so glad because of the styles of denim that are hot right now, the wide leg jean, the straight leg jean, the barrel jean. The good news is that the sock booty can be worn with all of those styles of denim. So I decided to pair these amazing Stuart Weitzman sock booties, which by the way, because the heel height is 2.5 inches, these are extremely wearable and extremely comfortable. They fit perfectly underneath these amazing A Gold E faded black straight leg jeans. These are a high-waisted straight leg jeans, so incredibly comfortable. They do have a little bit of stretch in them, so they hold their shape really well, but then they also really do a great job of hugging your curves in all the right places. And then I did this fabulous cropped leopard denim jacket because leopard is another huge fall trend we are seeing right now. So I really loved how this fall outfit turned out. I want to interrupt this video and thank Midi Health for sponsoring this video. I basically am 51 years old. I will be 52 in November, and I've gone through menopause in the last year or year and a half. And I will have to say that I've been suffering from several symptoms, one of them being poor sleep at night. Basically, I fall asleep quickly at night for a couple of hours, but then I wake up for an hour or two. It's so frustrating, and what that means is the next day, I also have extreme fatigue, especially in late afternoons. I have low energy. I also have suffered from poor moods, very moody. So anybody else, leave me a comment down below if you're also going through menopause and let me know some of your symptoms. But I do have a solution, ladies. I have recently found Midi Health, and Midi Health is a virtual care clinic transforming women's health nationwide. And here's how it works. Step number 1 is you basically book a virtual visit, very easy to do. Step number 2, you meet with your Midi clinician. Step number 3 is you integrate Midi into your daily health routine, and I promise you will start feeling better. I know I did. There are no membership fees or hidden costs. And Midi actually bills your insurance just like any other healthcare provider, which is always a plus. A few of Midi's proven results. Women that had trouble sleeping, 93% of those women reported an improvement within 5 months. And the women that suffered from moodiness, 92% of them reported improvement within 2 months. So if you're suffering from any of these common symptoms or anything else, definitely click the link down below in my description box to book your appointment with Midi Health. You can use my code and get 15% off your first RX product. Fashion mistake number 3 would be ignoring the balance rule. So I talk about this a ton on my channel because it is so important. So if you're going to wear something big and baggy on the top, you want to make sure that you wear something more fitted on the bottom, and vice versa. If you're going to wear something big and baggy on the bottom, you want to make sure that what you wear on the top is fitted. And this is a great style tip to share, because right now wide leg trousers and wide leg denim are so incredibly popular right now. So this is a great style tip to keep in mind when wearing wide leg jeans or wide leg trousers. As you'll see here, these are some fabulous black wide leg trousers. So incredibly chic. They travel really well. They're wrinkle free. They have pockets. They have an elastic waist in the back, so they're incredibly comfortable. But because they're a wide leg, baggier silhouette, I decided to keep my top very fitted. I'm basically wearing a black bodysuit, and then I topped it off with this cropped denim jacket. I didn't want to wear like a long oversized jacket with these wide leg pants because that would have looked a bit frumpy and definitely a bit sloppy. Fashion mistake number 4 is when I see women wearing shapeless sweater dresses. You know, the ones that are just extremely big and baggy, and they basically aren't hugging your curves at all. Now, there's a difference between super skin tight. You definitely don't want to do that. But something that's form-fitting and gently hugs your curves is key to looking stylish in the fall. So this quince black sweater dress literally fits perfectly. It fits like a dream. It's not too tight. It's definitely not too big. It is incredibly soft because it's cashmere, and for a real cashmere piece, the price is insanely reasonable. I can't even believe it. It does come in several different colors, but I personally loved the black. And then I went with those same snake print heels by Paige. I can't get enough of those heels. If I had to pick one pair of heels that I know I'm going to wear the most this fall and winter, these would be them. The next fall fashion mistake is only wearing black and gray. Some women just kind of get in a style rut and they just want to wear black all the time, or black and gray all the time. And although it's okay to do that occasionally, just make sure that you're not doing that every single time you get dressed up. Try to mix it up. Try to wear warmer colors like chocolate brown, like camel, like navy blue, because those 3 colors that I just mentioned are the hottest fall colors we're going to be seeing this season. So this is a beautiful camel midi dress. This is actually a great dress that you can wear now because obviously it has no sleeves. It has a beautiful side slit, but then later on you could top it off with a fabulous black bomber jacket or leather jacket and wear it with some amazing black knee-high boots. But right now I really love it. Perfect for a date night or a girls' night out. And because it's a camel shade, this dress looks and feels way more expensive than it really is. It's also wrinkle-free, and I really love this side slit. Fall fashion mistake number 5 is women wearing the skinny jeans with the ankle booties and showing the skin between the ankle booties and the skinny jeans. First of all, skinny jeans are completely out of style. And secondly, wearing your ankle booties where the skin shows is absolutely out of style. And I do still see some women doing that. So definitely don't do that. Ditch your skinny jeans, and instead I would opt for some straight leg jeans or some wide leg jeans. Either one and you're good to go. These are some fabulous wide leg jeans by Reformation. They're high-waisted. I really love this wash. They're very vintage inspired, and they're actually very comfortable because they do have a little bit of stretch in them. I paired them with this gorgeous chocolate brown halter top. This one is from Mango, so it's well under $100. And again, chocolate brown, such a huge color we're seeing this fall. Another pair of amazing straight leg jeans are these girlfriend denim jeans. These are a high high-waisted, straight leg denim silhouette. Again, a medium wash, not too light, not too dark, perfect to wear all year round. I did a simple white tank, I tucked it in, and then I added this amazing black leather bomber jacket. This one is by Quince. I've featured it a few times on my channel recently because it's literally the perfect jacket for fall, because bomber jackets are a huge fall trend, and black leather, you just can't ever go wrong with it. I loved mixing it with a white tank and lighter denim to really mix it up, and then I added these fabulous leopard mules. These are very reasonably priced. The heel height is under 2 inches, so extremely wearable and extremely comfortable. Fashion mistake number 6 is wearing jackets that are too boxy and too big, that just aren't flattering. Basically, wearing oversized, outdated outerwear is a definite fall fashion mistake. And instead, I would opt for more fitted and structured jackets. They're classier, they're more modern looking, and because the wide leg denim silhouette is so popular, these types of jackets just pair better with that type of denim silhouette that we're seeing right now in the fall and winter. So I kept on the same Reformation wide leg jeans, proving their versatility and wearability. I went with a simple ivory Reformation tank top. I love the ruching around the chest area. And then I just went with that fabulous leopard cropped denim jacket. I wore it earlier in the video with some black jeans because I really wanted to show the versatility of this leopard denim jacket. I love this jacket. It's very cool. It's got fashion forward vibes because of the faux leather collar, the cropped silhouette, and the oversized arms. And here's that black Quince bomber jacket again, because this is a fitted, structured jacket, so you can wear it with so many different things. I had it on earlier with those fabulous girlfriend denim straight leg jeans, and then now I wanted to style it for y'all with this beautiful navy blue maxi skirt. This is from Quince. It's made of silk. It's very luxurious looking, and like I said, navy blue is a huge fall trend, and maxi skirts are another big fall trend we are seeing. I decided to do a matching navy blue tank to really create a beautiful monochromatic moment. And then I went with these under $100 strappy black heels. The heel height is also under 3 inches, so these are very wearable and very comfortable. Fall fashion mistake number 7 is carrying outdated handbags. Basically anything that's like a super tiny handbag, those are very much out of style right now. What we're seeing is bigger, larger handbags is really in, and the East-West handbag. So I have 2 that I want to talk about. The first one is this one by Quince. It's the gorgeous suede oversized handbag, but I don't think it's too oversized. I do think there are several handbags out there that are too big. If you're a taller woman, then you can get away with carrying the big handbags. I am 5'4" and more on the petite side, so this suede handbag from Quince is probably the biggest I can get away with in terms of carrying it and still looking balanced out, because the last thing you want to do is carry this huge handbag that overpowers your silhouette. So this Quince suede handbag is the perfect size. I realized that this one on the Quince website is sold out. I did find a similar version yesterday in Madewell. It's absolutely stunning. It's literally the exact same brown suede color. It's very similar in size, so I will be linking that one as well. Another handbag that I'm loving right now, and I mentioned it in the beginning of the video, is this gorgeous East-West handbag by Madewell. This is such a beautiful color. I love the gold zipper, so luxurious looking. This handbag reminds me of a Kate bag, but it is a fraction of the price, y'all. This honestly might be my favorite fall handbag that I have added to my handbag collection in a really long time, and it's not designer. Like I said, it's from Madewell, so the price point is absolutely incredible. It also comes in a beautiful red suede, but I personally like the brown suede better. So leave me a comment down below and let me know which fall fashion mistake you won't be making anymore after watching this video, and let me know what your favorite look was, because I always love hearing from y'all. I want to thank Midi Health again for sponsoring this video. Remember, you can click the link down below in my description box to book your first virtual appointment, and you can get 15% off your first RX product. For more style information, you can head over to my blog, SoHeather.com, and on Instagram, I am SoHeatherBlog. And if no one has told you yet today, I love you. You're beautiful and amazing just the way you are. And I will look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye-bye.